Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can download all photos from Facebook Messenger at once. So let's start. For that, you don't have to go to your Messenger. Instead, you will have to go to your Facebook. So go to Facebook and log into your account. Then after, tap on the three lines on the top right side of your screen. Scroll below and go to Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Then after, scroll below till you find your information section. Select Access your information, then tap on Continue. Now in order to download all of your photos from Messenger, scroll below and go to Download your information. Then tap on Request to download. After that, select the account from where you want to download the information. Since we are downloading the photos from Messenger only, select your Facebook account and deselect the others. Then after, tap on Next. At this stage, select Messages and tap on Next. Now you can make changes to some of the options such as your file format or the picture quality. You can set it on either high or medium as you like. Then after, you will have to select the date range. If you want to download all the messages from the last year to the current date, then select last year. However, if you want to download the recent messages only, then select last week. Then after, tap on Save. After we have adjusted all the information, tap on Submit Request. After you do that, the process to compile your messages has been started. You will have 4 days to download your information after it has been created. Furthermore, you can see the same section if you want to check if your file has been made ready to download or not. So in this way, you can easily download all the photos from Messenger at once. Well, that's it for the video. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.